Hello programmer, welcome back to another tutorial on PHP, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up web server on your PC. And as I already told in a previous tutorial, there are software like XAMPP, XAMPP and XAMPP which contain Apache, PHP and MySQL. Now first start with XAMPP. In a XAMPP, W means Windows, A Apache, M MySQL and P means PHP. So this software is for Windows user and it contains Apache, MySQL and PHP, and it is free to use. Another software is XAMPP, and this software is for Mac user, and there are two versions available where XAMPP is free, but for a XAMPP Pro you have to pay. Another software I wanna talk is XAMPP, which is available for Windows, Linux and Mac user. Now depending on your OS, download XAMPP. I wanna skip this downloading part. Now after the download is completed, just open the file. Click yes, then OK. Then in this page we select the component which we want to install. I wanna leave it default. Then we select the installation directory. By default it will install on C drive, and I wanna go through default. By using XAMPP we can run PHP based application like WordPress. Now we have to wait for a few minutes. After the installation is finished, here we have to select a language. I go through English, and here we got a XAMPP control panel. Now to run a PHP code, we have to start Apache, and to manage a MySQL database, we start MySQL. The one way to check Apache and MySQL are working or not is when they run, green color is appear. Another way to check is by clicking on admin. If Apache is running, then we can also get this page by typing localhost on the URL section. And we can also manage our database through phpMyAdmin. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.